It's eco-friendly, designed for less water and detergent use, which leaves you for more money savings. Perfect for small space like apartments, dormitories, and RVs, and more. Alright guys, so for this portable washing machine, we have to hook it up to a faucet that looks kind of like this. Go ahead. And then we gotta tie it, make sure the water doesn't come out. It's gotta be nice and tight. So you gotta screw on the screws. Drains. So now we connect this to the back of it. Make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. All right, we gotta make sure that we connect the water. There's a little tube down here. Gotta make sure that it goes on, and then you put the little cincher, I guess. And then you just put this up so the water doesn't fall out. All right, so we filled up this washing machine about halfway, just to see how it works. All right, guys, I will talk to you a little bit about this Rovsun washing machine. It's a 13-pound washing machine. It's got a see-through lid, so you can see when the cycles. It's easy to operate with LED lights. It's easy to install with the hose, as you saw earlier in the video. It's got a filter for collecting cotton fibers. Let's see if we can spot that. It's right there, actually, right there. There it is. It's the cotton, the filter for collecting the cotton. It's got some built-in handles. One's here, the other one is right over here, and it's got a stainless steel tub. As you can see, the quality feels real nice and sturdy. So like I mentioned before, it is a 13-pound washer for washing small loads of clothes. Its gravity draining system makes sure that the drainage height is horizontal drainage when up. So with this hose, just gotta make sure that the washer is above the bucket you're using. And then it's also quality control testing before they ship it out to you. It comes with a manual book, a rat-proof board, actually. Wow. And a drain pipe and an inlet pipe to connect to water source. You can see we have the water already to halfway. We're gonna throw in a towel right now. We're washing the towel. All right, and it tells you the detergent level here, the function that it's at, and it's got some air drying thing because it's got some dry time here in the program. So we're gonna do probably like a normal 2. All right, so make sure we get to program number 2. Okay, we're there under normal, and water level, let's say we're at like a 1 to 2. Put 1 to 2. All right, and then push start. It washes, it rinses, and it spins cycles to clean and dry your clothes. Operating this machine is easy and understanding enjoyable laundry experience. Convenient for people, even the elderly to children. Like I said, it has 10 programs, so washing modes, 8 water levels. So as you can see, this drains to whatever bucket of your choice. If you need to throw out the water, you could just raise the hose up higher so you can stop the water, as you can see. And then once you dump the bucket, you could just continue with the water. And there you go, easy drainage. Just make sure that the dryer is a little above whatever your water bucket is. There you go, showing you that it's empty, and now it's ready to air dry. All right, guys, so we put this to 5. We push play or start, and it turns on. You cannot open the door because it turns off, and then all you have to wait is a few minutes air dry. All right, guys, I want to go a little bit over some important safety precautions. It comes with this carpet, like a carpet guard. If you install this on the ground, it comes with this. It connects to the bottom of the washing machine, I guess, so it doesn't pull any of your carpet while it's spinning. It also says not to pour in hot water that's too hot, and do not place your washing machine in the bathroom. It may damage the electrical insulation. Do not clean the washing machine with some spray, and do not put wet clothes, heavy and hot things on top of the machines. And it's just finishing up right now. So, keep in mind this towel was soaked. Let's check it out. I don't plan it to be, wow, it's not too bad. It's not real dry like if you were to hang it, but it's dry enough. I mean, this is not bad. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
It's very good. Now you just hang it up for 10 minutes and it should be fine.